Hi, Class 4. This month our unit is transportation. There's many forms of transportation on our planet, and we utilize a lot of them. I'm going to be taking each of your names, and we're going to try to figure out which of the vehicles. I'm going to show you 3 different vehicles, and we're going to see if you can guess which vehicle starts with the same letter as your name. I'll give you a little bit of time to figure it out. And we're going to go through the whole class because you can all use this. You can all learn each other's letters doing it this way too. Okay, so we're going to start with Akiva. Akiva starts with A. And I have 3 vehicles here. One is a garbage truck, one is a motorcycle, and one is an ambulance. So which one of these 3 vehicles do you think starts with the same letter as Akiva? Is it garbage truck? Is it motorcycle? Is it ambulance? Well, if you guessed ambulance, you would be correct because ambulance and Akiva start with the letter A. So good choice if you picked ambulance. Okay, the next name is Alexander. Alexander starts with the letter A also. Now I have 3 different vehicles. One of the vehicles is an airplane. One is a jet. And one is an ocean liner or a boat. So let's see, which one do you think starts with the letter A? Is it the ocean liner, the jet, or the airplane? If you guessed airplane, you would be right because airplane and Alexander start with the letter A. Next name we have is coal, and coal starts with the letter C. We have 3 vehicles here, and we'll see which one also begins with the letter C. We have a motorcycle, we have a tractor, and we have a canoe. Do you think that it's motorcycle? Or could it be tractor? Or is it canoe? Well, if you picked canoe, you would be right because canoe and coal both start with the letter C. Name is Gabriel. Gabriel starts with the letter G. We have 3 vehicles. Let's see which one we think starts with the letter G. Could it be the van? Could it be the locomotive? Could it be the garbage truck? Van, locomotive, or garbage truck? If you chose garbage truck, you would be correct because Gabriel and garbage truck start with the letter G. The next name is Harry, and Harry starts with the letter H. So we have 3 vehicles or 3 things that move and go from place to place. One is an ocean liner, one is an airplane, and one is a hot air balloon. Do you think it's airplane? Do you think it's ocean liner? Or do you think it's hot air balloon? If you picked hot air balloon, you would be correct because hot and Harry start with H. The next name is Joey, and Joey starts with the letter J. And we have 3 more transportation modes here. One is a motorcycle. One is a jet. One is a tractor. Do you think that Joey starts with the same letter as tractor, jet, or motorcycle? If you picked jet, you would be correct because jet and Joey start with J. The next name is John, and John starts with the letter J. And we have 3 forms of transportation here. One is a canoe, one is a jet, and one is a van. Do you think John and van start with the same letter? Or John and jet? Or John and canoe? If you picked jet, you would be correct. John and jet both start with the letter J. The next name is Leo. Now Leo starts with the letter L. We have three forms of transportation here. One is a tractor, one is a locomotive, and one is an ambulance. Which of these start with the letter L? Is it tractor? Is it locomotive? Or is it ambulance? If you picked locomotive, you would be right. And chug, 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 Leo goes away. Okay, the next name is Lorenzo, and Lorenzo starts with the letter L. And our three forms of transportation here are garbage truck, motorcycle, and ocean liner. Which one do you think starts with the same letter as Lorenzo? Could it be garbage truck? Could it be ocean liner? Or could it be motorcycle? Garbage truck, ocean liner, or motorcycle. If you picked ocean liner, you would be correct. Ocean liner and Lorenzo both start with the letter L. The next name is Moshe Eli. Moshe Eli starts with the letter M. We have three forms of transportation here. One is a tractor, one is a motorcycle, and one is an airplane. Which starts with the letter M? Is it airplane? Is it motorcycle? Is it tractor? If you chose motorcycle, you would be correct because Moshe Eli and motorcycle start with M. Next name is Toby, and Toby starts with the letter T. Our three forms of transportation are garbage truck, tractor, and van. Which one starts with the letter T? Is it van? Is it tractor? Or is it garbage truck? If you chose tractor, you would be correct because tractor and Toby both start with the letter T. The next name is Vinny, and Vinny starts with the letter V. I have three modes of transportation here. One is a hot air balloon, one is a van, and one is a locomotive. Which of these start with the letter V like Vinny? Is it locomotive? Is it van? Or is it hot air balloon? If you chose van, you would be correct. Our class names and all types of vehicles and things that go in the air and on the water and on the land. Transportation gets us from here to there. Bye-bye, guys.